Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix FIFA 23 not launching easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, all you have to do first, click here and then type Windows Update Settings. And now once you're here, all you have to do just click check for updates and wait for it. Make sure to install all the updates that you can find here and then go back, and after that type startup apps, and now turn off all applications that you don't need, applications that you don't want it to start when you start your PC. Turn off like Spotify and stuff like that, and then uh, type here background apps and turn off applications here, all those applications by turning off the first option, and then restart your PC. And after starting your PC, right click and run FIFA 23 as administrator, and then your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.